I'm like, yeah, okay, cool. You can no longer break the game. I'm sorry.
I'm doing currently my first ever jelly truck run and my first ever play of the game, so I'm not expecting.
He's doing a pog.
I'm doing it, and I'm currently on
do you
1 minute and 50 seconds. I'm only on level 3. Kill me.
The moderator of the speed run has been active as he confirmed a speed run like literally a week ago. But how do you think he's gonna feel when literally he gets like 3 submissions when there's only been 8 submissions over the course of 4 years? He's just gonna be like, where did all this come from?
And just become pro gamers of this. Okay, so yeah, it's gonna take me a while. Plus, I'm also getting some frame drops because I don't know.
Frame drop. Drop top.
Max,
Want to break from the
I'll
ads?
do that after. I'll do that after
Wait,
this
did
run.
you? Oh my god! Wait, Max, did you set up like a proper like speed run time for like levels? Well, you're not doing good.
You are doo-doo.
Oh, I just looked up stopwatch and added it.
Cam, what's your favorite candy?
I like a lot of candies, but I really
You look like a
Kit
Skittles
Kats.
motherfucker.
Kit Kat.
Why?
Everyone looks like a Skittles motherfucker to you.
Dude, does half the continent look like a goddamn skin?
Oh my god, no.
Okay, I'll tell you what type of each motherfucker.
Launch me, father! Launch me!
Damien looks like
me?
Damien looks like
me.
a crunch motherfucker.
You know, surprisingly, that's
I just
yeah.
killed the run. Level 5 killed
He
my
is a
run.
crunch motherfucker.
Oh wait, he likes crunch bars?
Yeah.
Okay, so Damien likes crunch.
That was because you didn't mess up on the ball. All right, Max. Moment of truth. Yes.
Wait, Cam, what kind of candy does MC like?
Todd.
She likes Jolly Ranchers.
Okay.
Yeah, her name is Jolly Rancher, bro.
She also likes Ghirardelli. That fucking rich people thing.
Wait,
Because
Jolly Ranchers. Just
she likes
get her
that,
Jolly
like,
Ranchers.
she likes like high quality weird Greek food.
Just
I don't
get her Jolly
think
Ranchers, bro.
I'm able to get that.
no, just get her a plate of Greek food.
Yeah.
I'm just going to go to that place and get Greek food.
Honestly, just get her Ghirardelli. And if you can't do that, get her Jolly Ranchers.
Jolly Rancher!
Jolly
Wait, so
Rancher.
Like a Jolly Rancher!
Bro. Dude, I don't understand level 6. I'm still trying to figure it out. What are you on right now? What are you on right now, Max?
Guys.
Jesus Christ, I'm on 5 and I'm on level 6. But I'm also...
You probably can't because you've been practicing all day.
Guys, Francie, okay, so she's like an outstanding swimmer, right? So she goes 52 seconds for 4 laps.
Are you? Oh my god!
She's a beast.
No, that's inhuman.
To put it in
I'm
comparison,
literally lagging every time.
I win a
The ads are loading.
101.
Huh.
No, I will have it be known that I was part of a swim team for my neighborhood for 2 years.
Bro,
Worst thing I've ever
Really?
done.
Brent, you look like a
Imagine-
breaststroke motherfucker. No, you look like you would hate breaststroke. You look like a...
Imagine Fritzy
Okay.
dresses up as a shark and just starts
But
swimming.
I remember because like I hate being shirtless. I literally despise being shirtless. Even to the point when everyone on like Discord was like, "Hey, we're doing the shirtless bit." I'm like, "No, I just hate being shirtless."
That's
So
not fun.
when I showed up there with my rash guard on, it's like you can't have a shirt on when we're swimming. I'm like, what?
I don't like this.
Bro,
Oh my god.
you're like Fritzy in the pool. She just starts swim sprinting after you.
Oh my god. No, Francie is so fast. Like,
That'd
she
be horrific.
could literally be an Olympian.
Come on, Max! Come
Those
on,
are
Max! You're making
phenomenal
really good
times.
time.
phenomenal. Lashana Ball.
Lashana Ball, Lashana Ball.
Yeah, you know, I'm doing full screen because this shit is so annoying.
Let's go. That is not. No! Nah, but like. Oh, man. I mean, if that's how you see it, but this is supposed to be the run. Sonic time. Sonic time.
Sonic! Sonic! Sonic!
Sonic boom!
Sonic! Was that a My Little Pony reference?
No, it was a. Have you played Street Fighter?
Oh.
That was the most degenerate thing I've heard this goddamn century.
I think it was called like Rainbow Sonic Boom. Some stupid shit.
Guile from. Never mind.
Am I just too much of a libtard to understand?
Yes.
Okay, my grandpa
Actually,
calls me, and he's like, "Happy birthday!" Now, what do you think of President Trump and Joe Biden? I'm like, no.
no, that is what
No.
I think.
I'm like, I don't want to talk about politics on my fucking birthday.
Max,
Not even my
Max,
birthday
use the
anymore.
time. Say the line. Say the line. They're talking about politics. There it is.
Yup.
Oh, I'm making a joke
Whoa!
here. Nah,
Keep that in the DMs, yo. So funny. I'm so funny. God damn. I'm a catch.
I feel kind of.
I'm sorry.
What am I gonna say?
I'm so sorry. Balls!
Thanks, balls.
Balls!
Thanks, balls.
No, you gotta say like, thanks, balls.
That's not funny.
I'm not laughing. It's not funny.
I hate having to use the arrow keys. Arrow keys are cringe.
I think you're doing like. I think you're on track to beat your current score. 13-minute? Maybe. Don't know.
Dude, I wanna get on the speedrunning thing for this game. Oh, dude.
That was literally god tier. That was
it
literally
bars?
god tier. Let's go, Jelly Truck. Let's go, Jelly Truck.
Jelly truck, more like jelly. You suck.
Ah.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks.
Thanks, balls. Go. You try to be tactical about it, and you made it worse. Oh, you're not gonna make it. You're gonna like barely miss it.
I'll be back.
Oh my god, you are choking so hard. No, you don't. You're supposed to be speedrunning. Everything needs to be perfect.
Say that to all the people who barely do a slight wrong frame drop on Mario and loses 2 seconds.
Dude, I hate that. Like, they miss one long jump and they're like literally pooping and farting their pants.
They're like little crybabies about it.
Your practice. Oh my god. How did you? That's actually insane.
Honestly, if I can get like how many people have like actually like what is like a minimum score here that you think
The minimum score is 23 minutes. So.
Oh, I could do that. I've never played the game, so let's see if since I've never played the game. 3 and I'm on almost 3.
You did not hit those stairs right. That's what I'm
I just don't-
after.
I don't like how it goes next mission and it just takes me to the main menu thing. That's annoying. Just take me to the next level.
What's poppin'?
Yup. Just go
You don't
left.
see my camera?
I don't care.
Yeah, I see your camera.
Hey, Damien.
What's up?
Damien,
Um,
Jimmy Wiener machine are back.
Damien, you look, I don't know.
Yeah, I know.
It's
You do look.
gorgeous.
I do
It's
most
gorgeous.
certainly look.
You got eyes.
What's this?
For her.
For me?
Me, Gungaga. Yeah.
Doesn't fit on my fat head.
Pretty stupid. You just can't contain the hype.
Level 1.
Like that.
Level 1. Let's go. Let's go. Level 1. Come on.
Come on, Max. Go, 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 go.
Come on. You got it, Max. Level 2. Let's do this. Come on.
No, come on.
Come on.
My God, no.
It's not even your fault. The thing controls like garbage. You did everything correctly.
All right, come on, Max. No, no, no.
No. Come on, come on, come on. Are you recording this? No!
Oh my God, I literally clipped. No, are you... What? My God, dude. Level 3, I glitched into one of the blocks and I have to restart the
Come on,
level.
Max. Yes.
Let's go. You can so trim your score down. You can so get third place.